So I explained about the organization of the survey and analysis. So let me see the flow diagram of the how the organization of the survey and analysis is being done. So here there is a clear diagram. Here the way of conducting uh, the plus preliminary survey. So here the what uh, here the mode and the route for it, the purpose and the measurement of the any traveling pattern. So that may be a very unique in the each part and the each type each characteristics of the transportation of the survey method. So in order to whether the transportation system is to occupy the adequate or sufficient which is being demand for the placed forest and where there is a necessary to conduct the transportation system for the any performance survey. Such survey that may be a seek to measurement for the performance characteristics such as the travel time, time of the travel variables in between or middle or anywhere, the passenger which is been waiting for a vehicle, waiting time. So and the vehicle, so one after the other, the availability of the one after the another vehicle. So this vehicle and the system of the safety which is been available. So this survey, the conduct of the survey is not a very formal procedure. So that is rather than it is a follow a series of the logical interconnected steps which progress towards the final product of the surveying. The stages which has been typically involved is primarily the planning will be done. Okay, so after this planning will be carried out, next we'll choose the this way of the different surveying method. Various surveying methods are there, so we'll choose the which type of the survey has to be carried out. So after surveying, so sampling, how to do the sampling and the designing of the sampling design will be carried out. So after this sampling design, so we have to do the pilot survey. Means rather than going to a consider there is a large area like this. So you have to in this area there are multiple, there is a 10,000 number of the houses. You have to do the down 10,000 houses visit. You have to take the you have to conduct the survey. So rather than that, so pilot survey, for example, for around 10 houses here, a pilot project will be carried out in this area. In this area will be carried out. So pilot project will be done. So that pilot, that we call it as a pilot survey. So in this pilot survey, so what we will be design the survey instruments. So that has to be designed. So after the design, whether the pilot survey is been correct or not, that will be checked. Okay, so that is interpreted with the sample design in order whether the survey which is being carried out, which is being the whether it is being suitable for the larger sampling, that will be checked for the pilot survey. Later after this confirmation, then surveying it will go to the pilot survey will go to the surveying administration. Okay, where here the data coding will be carried out from the survey administration for the after taking the decision. Next the data whatever the survey administration will undergoes with the data editing. So and data editing will be carried out, and the certain correction will also be carried out. That's our data correction and expansions will be carried out in this data editing. Then finally the after editing, data analysis will be done. Finally the presentation of the result will be carried out. So this is how the flow diagrams of the survey which will be carried out for the survey organization, and the analysis will be carried out like this. So this is what the typical flow diagram which will be used for the survey organization of the organized survey and analysis.